नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज हम लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और Q3 रिजल्ट टुडे Coil India, HUL, ONGC, HUL, Bharat Forest among more than 560 firms set to announce earning. Beacon, Lupin, IRCT, Hendelco Industry and Deepak Nitri and are among some of the major companies that are scheduled to declare Q3 result on February 2012. Listed of big companies declaring Q3 result on February 12: Coal India, Oil and Natural Gas, Hindustan Unilever, Hinduco Industry, Beacon Ltd, Lupin, Petronet, Indian Railway and Corporation, Indraparcha and Engineer India, or many others company declare in Q3 result year today's 12 February. एंड कॉयल इंडिया का बारे में आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे अभी। और कॉयल इंडिया रिजल्ट, कॉयल इंडिया रिपोर्टेड ए 3.2 year on year YOY drop in consolidated revenue from operation to just 30,186.7 crore in Q2 financial year 26 from 31,181.89 crore in Q2 financial year 25. The state-owned company net profit fell 32% YOY to reach 4,262.64 crore in Q2 financial year 26 from reach 6,274.8 crore in the years ago period. ONGC Q2 financial year 26 result. State-owned ONGC reported a 1.53% YOY and declined the consolidated total income at rest 1,61,19.1 crore in Q2 financial year 26 compared to rest 1,63,517.42 crore in Q2 financial year 25. Net profit rose 28.2% YOY to rest 12,614.60 crore in Q2 financial year 26 from rest 9,841.40 crore in Q2 financial year 25. HUL Q2 financial year 26 result. Hindustan Unilever reported a 3.8 year-on-year raise in consolidated net profit and reached 2,694 crore in the December 2025 quarter compared to reach 2,595 crore in the same period of the preceding fiscal. Total income grew 1.5% YOY to reach 16,388 crore in Q2 financial year 26 from 16,145 crore in Q2 financial year 25.
Recording kori asa? Kot recording hai?
HUL Q2 financial year 26, the company reported a 15.3% year-on-year raise in consolidated total income to reach 7,516.28 crore in Q2 financial year 26 from the 6,518.70 crore in Q2 financial year 25.